Welcome back to Decor Catalogue. Today's video is all about modern bathroom design ideas that combine style, comfort, functionality. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or just upgrading a few elements, these ideas will help you create a bathroom that looks elegant and feels relaxing. Modern bathroom design focuses on clean lines, minimal clutter, and smart use of space. Neutral color palettes like white, beige, gray, and soft earth tones are very popular as they make the space look larger and brighter. You can add warmth with wooden textures or stone finish tiles. Wall-hung vanities and floating shelves are a must in modern bathrooms. They save floor space, make cleaning easier, and give a sleek, contemporary look. Choose handle-less cabinets or soft-close drawers for a neat and luxurious feel. Lighting plays a very important role. LED mirror lights, concealed strip lighting, and warm ambient lights enhance the overall atmosphere. Backlit mirrors not only look stylish but are also very practical for daily use. For walls and floors, large format tiles are trending because they reduce grout lines and create a seamless look. Matte finishes are preferred for floors as they are safer and more slip resistant, while glossy or textured tiles can be used on feature walls. Modern bathrooms also focus on smart fixtures. Rain showers, wall-mounted faucets, sensor taps, and glass shower enclosures add a premium touch while improving functionality. Frameless glass partitions help maintain an open and airy feel, especially in small bathrooms. Don't forget accessories. Minimal decor like indoor plants, towel warmers, sleek soap dispensers, and built-in niches for toiletries complete the modern look without overcrowding the space. Conclusion: a modern bathroom is all about simplicity, comfort, and smart design choices. With the right colors, lighting, fixtures, and storage, you can transform even a small bathroom into a stylish retreat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Catalogue for more latest home decor design ideas. Comment below and tell us which country you are watching from. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.